Okay children, let's do the next interesting exercise. Okay, what is the exercise? We'll see what is the exercise. Listen, read the heading carefully. Say the name of the picture loud. We want to say the name of the picture loud. Okay. If the name of the picture ends with CK sound, listen carefully children. If the name of the picture was end with CK sound, then you want to color the picture and we want to write the word. Okay, they are saying first we want to find out the name of the each and every picture. Okay, if you get CK sound, you're going to color it. If you're not getting a CK sound, you're not going to color it. Okay, first let's see the four picture was given. Let's see and find out the what is the name of the each picture and we will write it. Then we will find out the CK sound. Okay, listen, what is this? This is a, what is this? This is a, yes, this is a clock. Clock, say a C sound. You're getting a C sound. Lock. What is the spelling for lock? We have seen already. Law. L, law. K, C, K sound. This is a clock. Okay, listen here. What is this? This is cow. Cow. Okay, listen, this is a dress. Very good. It's a frock, not a dress. Actually, this is a frock, not a frog. It's a frock. Rock, or O-C-K, frock. Okay, this is a frog. Okay. Next, what is this? This is a, yes, this is a camera. Camera. Okay, we just find it out each picture and we just write the name of the each and every picture in the dash. This is the first step. And the second step is we are going to find out which picture going to, having a end sound, CK sound. Okay, then it's going to be very easy because we already written the name of the each picture. Now we are going to find out the which word has the end with CK, which word having the end sound CK. Okay, let's move to the first picture. What is this? This is a clock. Getting a CK sound. Okay, I told you already what is the sound of CK. Double k. Little bit louder. Okay, this is a clock. You are getting a CK sound. Okay, what is the next third step they given? If you get CK sound, you want to make a color the picture. Okay, I'm suppose not having a colors pencil with me, so I'm just shading with my pencil. Okay, if you have a color pencil, you can draw a wall clock outline with the help of your mother or daddy or your brother, and you can give a nice color to the each and everything. Now I'm just shading. Okay, first we just find it out the first word. Okay, let's move to the next picture. This is a cow. You're not getting a CK word or else you're not getting a CK sound. Okay, this is a cow. Cow gives us what? Cow gives us? Yes, cow gives us a milk. What is the color of the milk? White. Very good. Okay, let's move to the next picture. What is this? This is a frog. Okay, we already written the word for frog. You are getting any CK sound? Yes, you can see the CK sound at the end of the word as well as you can get the sound of the CK. Frog. Okay, you're getting the CK sound. If you're getting the CK sound, what is the other step? Next step. Yes, you want to make a color it. Now I'm going to just shade using my pencil. Okay children, just I make the color. Okay, look at the next picture. What is this? This is a camera. You're getting any CK sound? Yes, you can find it out easily because that is a no CK word. So you does not get the CK sound. Okay, let's see the next set of picture. Okay, here the four picture was here. Listen it carefully and let's do the first one. We just find it out the word and we just write it on the dash. Then we can find it the sound of the CK. Then we can make a color. There are three steps, isn't it? Okay, we'll do the first step. Okay, this is a this is a boy, isn't it? This is a boy and this is a ball. This is a football. Listen it carefully. Look at the picture carefully. This is a football and this is a boy. What action he is performing? Yes, the boy is kicking the ball. Kick. Okay, let's write the spelling for the word kick. Kick, key, key, k, k, k. You get k, then you can write it just CK, kick. Okay, okay, let's move to the next picture. What is this? This is a lock. Very good. What is the spelling for lock? L O and what? C K, lock. L O C K, lock. Okay. Okay, what is this? You can tell me easily. What is this? Yes, this is comb, isn't it? This is the comb. What's the tell me the spelling for comb? C-O-M-B. Comb. B. Burst on you having a B. Okay, just tell me what is this? This is a. If you don't know what is this, then I can help you. Using this, your mother will beat you. What is this? If you do anything naughty, then your mother will, using this, she will beat you nicely. What is this? Yes, this is stick. Stick. Okay, this is a stick. Okay, just tell me the spelling for stick. T-I-C-K, stick. Okay, the first step was finished. Okay, we just write it find out the picture name and we just write it on the dash. And the second step is you are going to find out which word having a CK sound at end of the word. Okay, let's see the first picture. This is having a CK, isn't it? Kick. Kick. You are getting a K sound. That is CK sound. You are getting a CK sound at the end of the word. Okay, second step was finished. If you get the CK sound, you just mark it. Then what is the third step? If you get CK sound, what is the third step? Yes, you want to make a color. I'm just going to make a color. Okay, I'm just randomly colored. Okay, let's move to this picture. Okay, what is this? This is a lock. Lock. You're getting any CK sound at the end of the word? Yes, you're getting a CK sound at the end of the word. Okay, the second step was finished. You can hear the CK sound at the end of the word. What is the third step? Yes, if you get the sound of the CK, then you want to make a color. Just I'm going to color it randomly. If you have a white paper or color pencil, you can color it very easily. Okay, by using your mother's help, you just put a outline on a white paper and you can make a color. Okay children, okay, let's move to the next picture. What this is a comb. Very good. Using a comb we can style our hair, isn't it? We can comb our hair. Okay, this is a comb. You're not getting any CK sound. Okay, you're not getting any CK sound. Okay, let's move to the next picture. What is this? This is a, yes, this is a stick. You're getting any CK sound at the end of the word? Yes, the second process was finished. You getting the CK sound here. Okay, this is the second process finished. What is the third one? If you get a CK sound, what is the third one? Third step? Yes, you want to make a color. I'm just coloring here. I'm just not a coloring. I'm just shading this. Okay, children. Okay, we so far we have done the three step. One is finding the name of the each and every picture and write it on the dash. This is the first step, and the second step is we are going to find the which word having the CK sound at the end of the each word, and the third step is if you get the CK sound, we just make a color of that picture. What are the picture having a CK sound? Clock, frock, lock, kick, stick. These are the picture having the CK sound. Okay. What is the sound of CK? K. What is the sound of the CK? K. Okay. You got understand? Let's move to the next exercise. Okay. Let's go into the next exercise.